$100 billion disappears into tech projects only a few people know about. These are the truly cryptic investments shifting the future. Money moves through quiet channels in the investment world. We talk about private funding rounds for technologies that could change everything. These ventures are not public knowledge. There is no press release. There is no initial public offering announcement, just large sums of capital flowing into deep tech startups. Often, just a few select investors are aware. The secrecy serves multiple purposes. It protects intellectual property. It avoids intense market scrutiny in early stages. It allows companies to develop revolutionary products. They operate without competitors knowing their exact strategy. Imagine a company working on a quantum computing processor. It could be 1,000,000 times faster than current supercomputers. Such a breakthrough would be immensely valuable, but it needs years of development. It needs billions of dollars. A public spotlight could invite unwanted attention. It could attract industrial espionage. So these companies stay hidden, they stay small, they stay secret. Many investors follow a Buffett-esque approach, even in tech. This means looking for intrinsic value. It means seeking long-term disruption potential. They are not chasing every new app. They are investing in fundamental science. Think about biotechnology firms. Some work on new gene editing tools. These tools could eradicate certain diseases. They might extend human lifespan by 20 years. These are investments for the next decade, maybe even the next 2 decades. One such venture received $200 million. It happened in a single private round. Only a dozen institutional investors were involved. They each committed tens of millions. The goal is to reshape medicine forever. Another area is advanced materials science. Companies are developing new battery technologies. These batteries could power electric vehicles for 1,000 miles on a single charge. They could be charged in less than 5 minutes. One stealth startup has raised $500 million. This money comes from a syndicate of 6 family offices. Each family office controls assets exceeding $5 billion. They see the long-term impact on energy independence. They understand the market size is in the trillions. The technology itself remains under a strict non-disclosure agreement. Details are not shared. Even with potential partners, the competition is fierce. Space exploration ventures also attract this cryptic capital, a startup building compact reusable rocket engines. It might secure $800 million in seed funding. This is for a launch system capable of delivering 100 tons to orbit, all for 1/10 the current cost. These projects are capital intensive. They require incredible engineering talent. The payoff could be astronomical. Not every one of these ventures succeeds. The failure rate for deep tech is high. It can be as much as 90% for some categories, but the 10% that do succeed, they can return 1,000 times the initial investment. This is where the patient capital makes its mark. The investors understand the risks. They understand the rewards. Many of these deals are brokered through private networks. They use trusted advisors. They use specialized venture funds. Some funds manage over $30 billion in assets. They have a dedicated team. This team identifies these hidden gems. They spend countless hours doing due diligence. They look at the team, they analyze the technology, they assess the market potential. It is a global effort from Silicon Valley to Shenzhen, from London to Bangalore. Everywhere innovation is bubbling up. Hundreds of billions of dollars are invested this way each year. It is not just 100 billion. It is far more. Total annual private equity and venture capital investments reached over $700 billion globally last year. A significant portion of that is in stealth mode projects. Projects that could reshape our daily lives in ways we cannot even imagine yet. These top-secret tech ventures are the true engines of future economic growth. And they operate completely outside the public eye. It is an invisible economy creating the future.